If you like the content of this video or the content of my channel, please feel free and share, click like, subscribe if you want to. Write comments, I'm very interested in hearing what you have to say. But more importantly, go nowhere. Let's create Merlot steak. Merlot steak is not like Merlot. Let's put some alcohol, like wine. It's more of it's actually the heel muscle of the hind shank below the bottom and tend to be tender. And this one happens to be from Bison. You can use the one from beef. You just have to cook it slightly different because Bison is very lean, so tend to cook faster, and you don't want it well done because you won't be able to eat it. It becomes too chewy. So pretty much the same technique, it's just you have to cook it a little bit different, like quicker. That's what I mean. And this one I'm going to prepare with some chimichurri. I'm going to show you how to prepare this chimichurri. You just have to have some sunflower oil, apple cider vinegar, a couple teeth of garlic, hot pepper, one is enough. Just chop both garlics. You need some salt for both the steak and the chimichurri. And you need some parsley. The amount is up to you. You just have to chop it finely. Make sure you don't have this hard stuff on it. And that's it. That's very simple. In addition, you're going to have some oregano. If you have fresh oregano, you're just going to cut it. Have about, not a lot. Just, I would say about half a tablespoon. But if you have it dry, what you do is you put it in warm water. No room temperature, no cold, warm water. And you let it soak for a few minutes. And then after it's soaked and soft, you're going to strain the water out, okay? Because Bison is very lean, I like to add a few drops of oil, just a few drops, and I like to brush it. You don't have to do that for the beef version. But for the Bison, I like to brush a little bit. And the only thing I'm going to do is add some salt. And you're going to rub it. You're going to rub that baby. And you're going to do exactly the same thing in both sides. If you want to add some pepper, that's up to you. You don't have to. Salt is sufficient. Do the same on the other side. For the chimichurri, it's very simple. Just add the ingredients, and I'm not going to prepare a lot. So I have the pepper, parsley, garlic, and mix them together. Make sure all of them are fresh. And now you bring the oregano, which is the water strained already. And you're going to mix it a little bit more. Mix everything together. And now what you do is very simple. You add your oil, and you're going to add your vinegar. Ratio 2:1. 2 in the oil, 1 in the apple cider vinegar. So I have about half a cup of oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar. And now you're going to mix it. And just like that, you have your chimichurri. Just let it sit for a while because it's ready. So I have this at high heat. This is a cast iron. Reason I have a high heat because I want the heating to distribute. Going to lower it to medium high. Going to use some oil. I'm going to stick with the sunflower one. Remember, Bison is very lean. So this is not going to take a long time. So I'm going to cook one side. The first side I'm going to cook it for about 2 minutes, and then I take it from there. So it's been about 2 minutes. What I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it. Look at this beauty, huh? And I think I'm going to cook the other side for about a couple minutes, maybe a little bit less. I have to watch it. Same heat. About 2 minutes later, you can let it go for maybe 3. See how beautiful it looks? What I'm going to do, I'm going to put it to rest. Let it rest for about 5 minutes, okay? 5 to 8 minutes rest.